Indagire teleki.
Yeye kanta itikati. Ya, ndio soka tu mwali gani. Kiangalia wageni hapa mbali gani? Ase usafiri uko. Na mokas mukira ne wikira na abana muziki mubwate injira gete moko twara in your own way. Kwa hiyo kare mama nyomba potari wocha mwenzi piga mchikontare. Twara ni mandara kwa na our next agenda. Ndio ko bari ga. Mukwane ne ndio ko rukunga unity of purpose. Tati ko ba ma ko chukua na mama baga. Tuna bantu bali in the creative industry. Majibari daki. Jio. Mama teko. Ndio ni tibai no moto. Mosuba tu siri pata matwale kote le mara na kia yetu atange presi kanya kwa mfano. Tuna tegera no.
Basi, uko hata maoni, uko chokoroka, urute bottom.
Moba sakoro ronde bobe gerago kwana ayigwa bige kyara na jinsa chango ikachiro kwane abande bayibu na ko iguru bobe ngana ateneni ale go kwana
Good morning. Naitwa Daino ama Yazid na Masini. Salamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you very much. So wake up. Essa vai ser. Kwa hiyo ukali hapo leo. Toko kama disiko na dia take ombe kwa. Wake. Ba? All the time.
Okay. You as a creative art was invited as well for Nyari to write it out. I'm happy you will take the shortest time possible. Patrick.
Nambemo twachali tukoria rero kuimira basani bonse bagusi asibabeta abantu bakora content content creators start content creators kuimira bana musiki kuimira matengi na kuimira biega bali bakora chiko sori cyo kwegia timaze ke usiki byana kebekire na butacho kuimira ali tukoria rero esingincho emo yokubaleta amo egere banyare gukonyeka andi lini banyare koros chibesa kuraso mutanda uyu nambemo ntotagete kubeka basari bose piamo we pull resources from asante water resources tunyale koros creative center igaso mu Jobosongo egera basari banyore asiba konyumira na barabuka banyene namba ibere banyore equipment chonsi pi cha kirengejo kujakira chi camera chi microphone chi studio so that banyare kotwara asiba ko create content bono banyore asiba ko access maji microphone amade mbali bakabake bakosungo nyora no microphone ijoko beka bakora content so we want to boss banyora access yebintebi tonyore mo content creators gusi upcoming bakine bali igoro bagenda uchigoro mono so that enyamere nyinge yoro montaño ale kuragira anyora konyora katolika ikiro monta katolika namba ibere agende kitokwa nga unit of purpose yeye eko chukocha sengenjo twarose sub committee ga eko chukotenenera korogosi ebintu byabasani byose binyale kokoraki binyale koba ase eke kabu ekemo na ntonyale ko distribute to all of them banyale ko faidika kurwase obosani obwabo on 31st na tarehe moja yo mwaka 31st December tikante kiete kiyo nini on 31st take on 31st December na tarehe moja ndio wale show nene sana asegeti ya Kisii High School. Sherehe yo gutambũka mwaka na tarehe moja yeri 31st December 2026 tarehe moja January 2027 ndio wale sherehe yo guchako mwaka igesherehe cyo kwa matukabere mfululizo na anda bagusibo pia mwabeta bali muri Sikoyense bali muri Kenya bali muri Sikoyense bali muri Gusii bali muri Nairobi Mombasa Nakuru na Eldoret Yospi paka Kisumu mwezi moja mwatendi ndo chitobata bichi procedure cyo kwatendi egere abagusiba ito Yospi banyale kube kwamo
baje kuri chando bare mashinani mari bali twana kono opportunity to present their talents present their talents to bwa tokoboko no bara bantu mambiende. That's our main intention yo gocha Gusii tubuate umuntu uri Gusii okoboko otanye ka Nairobi you avail ourselves ba Gusii tubate okoboko irinde banya present their talents mutuare torenga nkibabuate na kitoko bwato okoboko bagendere. That's our main intention kugocha okobwato tumuje ko tubuate. That's our main intention okobwato umuntu okoboko aprenent talent ya abuate na yetu mutu mambienda abo muntu.
Talinga weno muyigo mutangani go chikokorekana Gusii. We've had very many festivals, many events. Egente ketanganya basani bale kolera is equity. Okonyoro musani amanyekaine abwata matera anchire lakini taikorangeli gushow. So a committee elikara yabe kugali na committee go chikokorekana ki you are going to get a platform based on merit. Onyo korega asiengia you will get a platform to perform and put money in your pockets. Number 2 Talinga Patrick na robot kiba sachi nyinge Gusii ngima. We have very many people billionaires hapa Gusii. But na bako nyoro monta kwa siringi 10 but I ready to share 2 shillings nae. So that is one thing abasani wants to thank Patrick, not because he's rich but he has a big heart. So we also call upon gente Talinga ni ya Patrick wasene kiyo kiondo. We call upon apa Gusii wants of goodwill banche tege saku and banche tawa culture to come on board. Bring their views, bring their ideas, bring their resources so that toko nyege saku toko nye culture yo Gusii musically content na kirigento gego konsani Gusii bumera nagaiga Talinga barenge bonsi mbale barenge migondo mbale bange ngale so to ranga nkwale ngase moyo goyo orenga you are left out. The door is still open. Onyo koro musani, if you are a creative out there, reach out ngakere simi akira end of the actors was a musicians so my ebwate namba yabo bako include. We want this thing ebe roli ko bogori kero monto oro Gusii obwate interest yo Gusii at heart.